How to use your French butter dish. If you're using salted butter, you're just going to pack it up into the lid. If you're using unsalted butter, you're going to put some salt in the water. This stick of butter has been sitting out for a little while, so it's room temperature. I'm going to expertly unwrap the butter, leaving a little bit on the end so I can push it in there. This is the easy way, kind of. It's a little bit messier than using the back of a spoon. The next step is to fill the bottom part of the dish about halfway with tap water. Just regular room temperature tap water, not ice water, or definitely not hot water, otherwise the butter will fall out. And then I'll take the lid and submerge it into the water. This creates an airtight seal for the butter, and I just check it to make sure it's actually submerging. The butter is now submerged in the water. The airtight seal will keep the butter from going rancid at room temperature. So you can always have fresh, soft, spreadable butter at your service whenever you want.